Hi everyone. So we are on day 8 of lockdown. My hair needed a serious treatment. So I decided to make a very nice vinegar and egg hair conditioner. All you're going to need is 2 eggs. Two eggs, a lemon, bit of olive oil, vinegar and honey. So lemons are very rich in vitamin C, which help with your hair growth. It also helps with the collagen in your hair. Lemons are very good to prevent hair loss as well. Eggs act as an effective conditioner and also adds shine to the hair. Honey keeps the hair hydrated. Vinegar helps for hair loss and makes the hair stronger and healthier. The olive oil helps us in elixir and it also makes the hair stronger. Lemons are full of vitamin C. It helps the hair to reproduce collagen and it also helps with the hair growth. So we're going to mix everything together. I already added my 2 eggs to the jug. You can add a teaspoon of honey, two teaspoons of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then you can just take your mixer and mix everything together. So after I've mixed everything, it's supposed to be like a nice smooth paste, and you can put it on dry hair if you want to, but I normally just wash my hair before the time. So my hair is all washed and towel dried. You don't have to dry it with a dryer, but I'm just doing a bit of a towel dry session here, and then I'm going to add everything in my hair and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll be back soon to show you and tell you about the condition of my hair. This is my hair and I'm so happy with the results. I always use my Kerastene Complex spray just to spray on my hair before I blow dry it. It just protects my hair against the heat of the hair dryer. So as you can see, my hair is silky smooth. I'm very, very happy with the results. And next week I will show you how to make a banana complex conditioner.